This is Taylor Swift kissing herself, as imagined by a set of delightfully inadequate algorithms. Here's Kim Kardashian and her doppelganger. Or how about Timothée Chalamet? Look at that. Sometimes these two heads collapse into one coherent face. Here's a really distorted one of Rihanna, supposedly. If you're new here, I'm an artist, designer, and animator who favors actual craft, and what you're looking at here is not that. These 3D models are artificially generated from a simple text prompt. I share the many reservations most artists have about AI, but I'm more interested in it when it fails to be human, when it falls apart, when its cracks are showing. AI evangelists are preoccupied with how realistic and perfect these tools can be. That both scares me and bores me. No, show me machines falling short. I want misunderstandings and miscalculations. I want does not compute. I came up with this idea of having celebrities kissing themselves because beyond the kind of narcissism of that, I like how these bizarre 3D models look like they're melting, and I thought it would be cool to see them melting into each other. Here's Elon Musk in probably the most accurate portrait anyone's made of him. And here's his friend. And here's Ryan Gosling. He looks like too much blood is going to his heads. Plural. Love that hand on the neck too. This Beyonce one looks kind of messed up. I mean they all do, but yeah, this one just doesn't quite work for me. Some of these generations take quite a few attempts before the algorithm produces something that balances likeness with what I guess I'll call aesthetic appeal. Although, obviously I'm looking for a certain kind of flawed aesthetic here. These have all been Kanye's to varying degrees of success. Something I've found interesting to observe with this particular algorithm is that its concept of a celebrity tends to be a little dated, as exemplified by this Miley Cyrus kissathon. And if I try generating someone whose celebrity is a little less, I guess, mainstream, well, this is what it thinks Marques Brownlee looks like. Let's retry. Yeah, no. I downloaded one of them and put it through my finishing process. It just doesn't look very much like him. Cool t-shirt though. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video showing some of these celebrity portraits I generated. If you want to see more of this kind of thing, check out this recent video on my channel in which I generated beauty pageant contestants from around the world. Like this video, it's delightfully strange. I'll see you next time.